Welcome back to our another video. Today in this video I am gonna show you how you can use all of this model in one single platform. In my previous video, I talked about how you can use Kimi K2.6 model by NVIDIA API completely free. You can check out the link in my description. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can use all of this model, mainly Kimi K3 by Silicon Flow. First, come to this website and sign up with your Google account. Here you can see all the model. The website link is given in my Telegram channel. You can join. It also provides users to create image or videos by using these models. For free accounts, it has a token restriction. So for use this model completely free, you have two options. One, upgrade your account, and two, use different Gmail account. And I know 99% of you will choose option 2, and I had already choose this option. So watch the video very carefully till the end. Here you can also create API keys for your particular model, but we don't need it. So leave this as it is. And if you choose option 1, then you can check out this. Okay, now come to this model page option. Here you can see the Kimi K3 model, and I am going to use this model. Before dive in, I have a small request to you. Please like the video and subscribe the channel, because the sad thing is till now I had only less than 10 subscribers. So hit the subscribe button and help your brother to reach at least 100 subscribers. Okay, now select this Kimi K3 model. After click on it, a slide will open. Select the option open in playground and it will redirect you to this main chat page. Now listen carefully. After opening this chat page, don't change any of these settings. And here you can see for free account, it gives 8192 tokens. And I know this is not enough for you. So after reach the limit, you can simply change your Google account. And for direct link, join my Telegram channel from description. As you know, Kimi K3 model burn token very fast. So you have to use a efficient and good prompt. So now let me show you, is it real Kimi K3 model or not? So simply I type this prompt, what model are you using? And hit enter. As you know, Kimi K3 takes some time for detailed answer, so it takes some time. And here you can see the answer. And if you face any 1% issue for this setup, you can comment and definitely I will reply your comment. Okay, now I am going to create a simple temperature graph. So simply I write create a simple flowchart on temperature and hit enter. Okay, it start processing. And one main important thing that you need to know, in your running conversation, if your token limit reach, it will show an error. So now you can't build large projects using this model, but don't worry, your brother definitely find another solution for it. So make sure you save this channel. Okay, after about 15 minutes, it created this, and as you can see, it created this professional world level temperature chart animation for different countries. And the crazy part is we can see all the details by moving only cursor. And as you can see, it automatically adds 3 parameters. And we can simply export this data. And this is why Kimi K3 model is one of the top model right now. Here we can change color mode, and as you can see how cool it look like. So visit this website and create your own project by using this Kimi K3 model. And similarly, for using all of this model, you have to follow the same process. And I think you like this video. For website link, check this video description, or you can simply join our Telegram channel. Okay, let me show you how you can use another model. Simply search and click on your desired model. Here I click Kimi K2.5. Same way, a slide bar will open. Click on open in playground, and here we go.
Fast lane, brains game, breaking the chain. Krishna on the feet with the fire in the vein. Tips on the time and the rhyming is climbing. Data is diamond, we constantly mining. Goose on the skin when the lesson begin. Win after win, let the digital spin. Subscribe to the hustle, the tips for the soul. Subscribe to the hustle, the tips.